friends, it's Kristen from The Mindful Mom. Today I'm sharing with you my slow cooker chicken and rice. Start with skinless, bone-in chicken thighs. Season the chicken thighs liberally with salt and pepper on both sides. In a large saute pan, heat 1 tablespoon of olive oil. Add the chicken thighs to the hot saute pan and sear on each side. Searing the chicken thighs is not a necessary step. However, it adds great color to this dish and it also helps to seal in the juice inside these chicken thighs. To your slow cooker, add in long grain rice. Crush and peel 8 cloves of garlic. Crush and peel 8 cloves of garlic. The garlic will mellow out and work to flavor this chicken and rice. Juice 1 fresh lemon over a strainer to catch any seeds, and then add to the slow cooker. Add in chicken or vegetable stock. Season with salt and pepper. And finally add in fresh thyme leaves. Give the rice mixture a good stir. And then submerge your brown chicken thighs into the rice. Cover and slow cook for 1.5 hours to 2 hours or until the rice is tender and the chicken has reached an internal temperature of 165 degrees. Serve the chicken over the cooked rice and enjoy.